This motel is directly across the street from the Surin Hospital. So if you have issues in the middle of the night, you can go get it taken care of right across the street. Slive Hotel. Nice underground parking here, so you don't have to worry about it. You can park on the street. They have room for 3 or 4 to park up here in the front. They have a nice restaurant inside too for breakfast. You see where the sun is starting to come up. This is in Surin, Thailand. Our friend Tom, Thai Digital Nomad, gifted us the room for the night so we'd have an idea if our guests come around where they could stay. To visit Surin, Thailand, these are the rooms that we have here at the Slive Motel. Nice size king bed. Little workstation if you so choose to use one. Oh, nice shower. Nice sink setup. And the toilet. Nothing extremely huge, but acceptable. And closet space. I'll get a safe down here. Yeah, it looks like it'll be nice and comfortable. For those of you that want to get up and work out in the morning, go to the gym, lift some weights. This is one of the nicest gyms I've ever seen in a motel. They have free weights, mechanical weights, dumbbells, nice heavy-duty treadmills. We bought a treadmill and a bike, something like this, to have in our house that you can stand on or sit on ours. Yeah, very nice. I'm quite impressed with this. I've seen gyms that weren't set up this well. Yeah, I'm impressed with this. Got nice leg machines. Yeah, quite nice. Let's see if they'll let me join this gym here. They have excellent looking breakfast here. You can get omelet made to order with whatever you want to have in it. They have espresso, orange juice. They actually have a large variety of stuff. What's this called, Jai?
Conchi.
Conchi.
You can really understand it.
Different oranges, yogurt, chocolate milk, fruits. And if you want to have a little bit of snack candies or cereals, got you all set up here. Rice porridge. Both of these are just white rice. Your ham and your sausage, aka hot dog. Nice place, big room, plenty of room. In here you can get milkshakes, ice cream. This is all still in the motel. They offer quite a bit. The fresh ice creams were really good. We had those last night. And different beverages you can buy here if you choose. Billiards in the back there. Have various gift items you can buy. Or just for your own personal pleasure.